Gulab Jamun recipe.
Today presenting recipe of soft and juicy Gulab Jamun.
Welcome to my channel. Let's start today's recipe. Heat a pan and add 4 teaspoons of semolina and roast until it turns aromatic. Transfer it to a plate and keep aside for later use. Add 1.5 teaspoons of ghee in a pan and add 1 glass of milk to it. Allow milk to boil and then add 1 bowl of milk powdered and stir it well. Then add the roasted semolina and stir it nicely without any lumps. Cook it until the dough becomes dry and smooth. And the dough is ready. Switch off the flame and transfer to a plate. Let's prepare sugar syrup. First add 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cup of water in a bowl. Stir with a spoon and allow it to boil until sugar melts. Add a pinch of cardamom powder and pinch of orange food color. Give a nice mix and add few drops of lemon to avoid crystallization of sugar. Sugar syrup is ready. Off the flame. Add 1 teaspoon of white flour, 2 teaspoons of milk powder and knead it smooth. A soft and smooth dough is ready. Make small round balls. And here all the Gulab Jamun balls are ready in a plate. To fry the balls, add oil in a pan and keep the flame in low-medium. Stir gently using the tail of a spatula and fry uniformly until golden brown color. Balls are fried uniformly and also the color is perfect. At this stage, strain it. Directly add the balls to a lukewarm syrup and stir gently with a spoon. Cover with a lid and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Absorb the syrup. And here soft and juicy Gulab Jamuns are ready. Garnish with few cashew nuts. Thanks for watching.